Today our topic is application of Laplace transform. What is Laplace transform? Laplace transform is to transfer one variable to another. The main application of Laplace transform is to solve higher order differential equation without complementary functions and particular integral. Generally, in engineering fields like electronics and electrical, we come across the problems such as differential equation, to derive differential equation. In such cases, we come across the problems like higher order differential equation. For that, to solve higher order differential equation, we have to find complementary function, then particular integral. Yeah, it is very lengthy process. To overcome this, the lengthy process, we have to take in easy manner. We go to Laplace transform. First of all, within our first step, we have to take Laplace transform on both sides. Afterwards, then we have to use the formula from the Laplace derivatives. Afterwards, then within our third step, we have to replace or substitute the initial conditions. We have to replace the initial values. Okay, afterwards, divide the coefficient of L of y. Okay, within our first step, take Laplace transform on both sides, then use the formula of derivatives, then substitute the initial values condition. Afterwards, divide the coefficient of L of y. Then you have to resolve it in partial fractions if it is necessary. Resolve it in partial fractions if it is necessary. Afterwards, take inverse Laplace transform. Yeah, first step is take Laplace transform on both sides, then use the formula. Afterwards, substitute the initial conditions, then divide the coefficient of L of y. Afterwards, resolve it in partial fraction if it is necessary. Afterwards, take inverse Laplace transform. Yeah, let us take one example further. To solve y double dash plus 4y equal to 0 with initial conditions y of 0 equal to 2 and y dash of 0 equal to 0. For that, what is our first step? Take Laplace transform on both sides. So, first of all, in my solution, let the given differential equation y double dash plus 4y equal to 0, let it be the equation number 1. Then, for this equation 1, I will take Laplace transform on both sides. That implies L of y double dash plus 4y equal to L of 0. Yeah. Next, it is in the form of linearity property, L of f of t plus g of t. By linearity property, we know that L of f of t plus g of t is equal to L of f of t plus L of g of t. So, I am going to replace that formula here. Yeah, this is equal to L of y double dash plus L of 4 into y equal to L of 0. Yeah. Next, as we know that here 4 is constant, so we can take it as outside. So, yeah, this is equal to L of y double dash plus, yeah, 4 is constant, so I am taking outside. This is equal to plus 4 into L of y, and we know that L of 0 is equal to 0. So, this is equal to 0. Next, I have taken Laplace transform on both sides. I resolve in this manner. Then we have to use the formula of derivatives, Laplace derivatives. We know that L of y double dash is equal to s square into L of y minus s into y of 0 minus y dash of 0. This is the formula for L of y double dash. Next, plus 4 into L of y. Yeah, next, first step is taking Laplace. Next, using the formula, Afterwards, we have to substitute the initial conditions. Yeah, here initial conditions are y of 0 equal to 2 and y dash of 0 equal to 0. I am going to replace in the equation. Yeah, this is equal to s square into L of y minus s into y of 0 is equal to 2. So, s into 2 minus y dash of 0, but y dash of 0 is equal to 0. So, minus 0 plus 4 into L of y. Yeah, this is equal to 0. Next, s square into L of y. Yeah, I am to take common plus 4 into L of y. I will substitute this value and send these values to value to RHS. This is equal to 2s. Here L of y is there and here L of y is there. So I will take L of y as a common. Yeah, this is equal to s square plus 4 into L of y. Yeah, this is equal to 2s. Afterwards, within our fourth step, divide the coefficient of L of y. So I am going to, here L of y coefficient is s square plus 4. So I am going to divide s square plus 4 on both sides. Yeah, this is equal to L of y equal to 2s by s square plus 4. Next, resolve it in partial fractions. So here no need to resolve in partial fractions. So last step, that is take inverse Laplace transform. So I am going to apply inverse Laplace transform. So here L equal to y equal to L inverse of 2s by s square plus 4. Yeah, this is equal to 2 into cos 2t. Yeah, this is the formula for the L inverse. Yeah, this is the general solution. Generally, by using Laplace transform, we can solve within 10 steps. Other than Laplace transform, it will take more steps, maybe 15 to 20. So, best one is Laplace transform. Yeah, thank you.